Just one thing for you guys. If you're looking for cool car content, you're in the wrong place. But definitely watch this video until a couple ads roll, and then go over to my playlist and watch the Celio videos. If you're not subscribed, subscribe already.
Like it's a good practice to...
Hold on. Let me recite his words.
Okay. Let me stop talking.
Jonah, silence. So basically what I got told is that the 3-stone cylinder honer, what it does is it just expands on the crosshatches that are already there. The machine creates the new ones and fully crosshatches it.
So it's just refreshing the crosshatch. I mean, that's pretty much what you're doing with the stones.
No, you're not.
I think he just wants her money.
It's uneven. No, he's a nice guy. Maybe I'm just too nice, but I think he's also too nice.
How much did you pay total?
Dropped about 900 there.
Yeah, the throw on your shifter is good. It's not dog shit like Grams.
Get shit on, bozo. Go to Monkey Wrench Racing, $99 for a short throw.
Oh, really?
I almost bought it.
Oh, do it.
I'm gonna. Gen?
For a 5th gen?
They usually don't have mine. I've checked on a bunch of websites. Let me bang through the beards real quick.
They specialize in like Toyota. They're awesome.
This is what my Bondo job looks like right now. I still gotta sand it. It looks pretty good.
Nice.
Jonah, I would mute your ears for this. This is a warning for Jonah. Please click off for about 15 seconds. It's gonna be some f***ing roasting incoming.
Tell them that they should go watch the Celica episode and not this one.
I mean, if you want like cool car content, then you're in the wrong place, guys. Problem after f***ing problem.
You have to say they have to go to your playlist.
Oh, I have a playlist?
It's called Graham's Grumbling Celica.
Nice. Grams, Toyota Celica, red, 1991, 1990. So like, don't click off right now. I'd say wait till a couple ads roll and then click off. And then go over to my playlist and watch the Celio videos. It's gonna be running soon. Might even actually be driving before this box gets on the road.
Probably before this video comes out, honestly.
Jonah, you didn't hear that. I wouldn't mute your ears for this.
I'll put that before.
This is the slave cylinder, right?
Yeah, I'm just pointing out stuff of the car.
Dumbass. I didn't know either. I was like, Jonah, what's the slave cylinder?
What?
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm working 2 to 9. Don't tell me you're working. I come home to work. I'm not here to play.
Why don't you just take your eyes off? Like I do.
I need money.
You're a successful
okay. I don't know about the success. I just
75 subscribers otherwise.
I had to actually I think it's like 76.
Yeah, if you're not subscribed, subscribe already. So you want a box or not? What's in the fucking box?
Okay. So we got the lateral control arm.
Bro, don't tell him what it is.
Okay, fine. It's a surprise.
Oh my god. It's a boy.
It's a boy. How can you tell?
It's got 2 holes instead of 1.
Oh.
I definitely should have safety goggles on. What are you doing? I think I'm a up-and-coming videographer.
Give me the other one, please. I need this controller that you're laying on.
What are you doing, bro?
Putting this one on.
Shit, that makes a lot of sense.
The one that was messed up first. That one's going on. Whether you like it or not, Graham, you can stop me, but you can't stop car love.
I'm always being used.
Did I have the gas tank dropped more?
Yeah.
That sucks. So, Graham, I'm gonna need you to get under there and hold the.
No way you're gonna make him do.
Like drop it lower or drop it higher?
Lower.
Drop it higher.
Listen, it made sense, alright? We're gonna let it go.
Dude, you're so friends.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said I probably would have to replace the whole thing.
It is? I haven't seen it.
Give it away, dog.
Well, come hold the gas tank.
No, you do it.
Rust, dust in my mouth.
Good thing you got your tetanus shot.
Dude, nah. Alright, that
you
was
cut
messed up
yourself
because I
on
got
the-
so sick.
Was it on the Celica?
I got yeah, it was on Graham's engine.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Where's the other bolt?
It's in my ass.
Cut that.
Cut that.
Up a little bit.
All the way back in.
Boom.
Okay.